And nothing will change that. I said it before Nanado be president. Say, after Nanado, my support is for Dr. Baumia. Yes, and after Dr. Baumia, the Nafi politics, no. After 2024, Dr. Baumia, Nyaminti, majority of Ghanaians are omajumu rational human beings. They will vote for the man. And the MPP for ni bina, Masha say amopese, mobeko NDC star no. Se party no, hierarchy no, should stop Sanya man. Omo ebe obia campaign way what the tribalism bebum. So omo suspended no. Ene into omo ebeko race no, omo kasa nchiro omo tita for. Say if one of them eba no be tribalism, ene way your hand way free her MPP. Yes, it's dominated by Akans, but MPP party no enya kan for nkwandia. So what I say, NDC for no magia tum so omo party ne de omo nkrofo ko e omo dia. Enti ayi fifi kwoti betimi akugina voter region so omo take NDC as religion because omo gi tum se omo na ye omo dia to omo mfa. MPP de diverse aubia timi wom. So what I say, enti no Dr. Baumia onwa me support no on support no no problem. But emfa tribe mom, emfa religion mom, udi bamu a me se party no mo na mo betumi solve that problem no party ni penifo yenye NDC de omo internal election omo timi kofa we free ha hwede omo de aye omo crofo say Akan for what party ni mu nyina NDC a sign there are so much hatred for Akan nti yenyi omo free hwe kumase even Akan dominated kokko penifo mu yi omo a ekita we no omo a party no ebe ye eyi de tiawo ni tribalism bebom but obi free dey fine obetimi aka osi obi free ha enye but so they no ba be yes o free enti no ye nto aba mana me ko fi men so sa na man so na minim say MPP so and this na a political party omo so because omo recently had the ofuzo ampofo but NDC party they were all mute. Omo penny any former president. They were no former president man no tribalism no dimu akotri. They were mute. We don't be for some professor ya chimney into support Akufo-Addo. NDC antimi ankasa o. By MPP de mama ma ho kwan. Say obi free hana Dr. Baumia free Muslim no free north nsemu fallacy. The man is good. NDC for na wish say yanto almost slow Dr. Baumia because said Dr. Baumia, only former President Mahmoud, any credible election, you will beat him 10 times. In terms of credibility, in terms of leadership, innovation, will be a generational thinker. Former President Mahmoud comes nowhere near for Dr. Baumia. And what are you people, some of these MPP people saying, and Dr. Baumia, and inflation, I could say, and then we are saying, saying, Bepia, Koso, and then, yet Danyamia simpose MPP in our power. MPP what is public sector workers yentua omuka and as a public sector workers and go for a juma 3 years into our MPP ba power what be that apart from napkins and some buy no crowd e yade a buy buy or try say o ye bibi di aboa say be unemployed youth ni ade say the beya bibenya bebe eboa ebinum nso do su anyansa eboa hwe how innovative our vice president is and near my waye Tebinumu argument a omugina so epeso om de tribalism ne religion ba no montontwen ba bi religion e de an ni nyina ye nyame baako e ntiase na nipa bi ni obi a wote religion ase no you never have a problem with your other person ono nso wo other side omo ntiase no na all the time they create problems and I say yes ye nipa baako koya de ane de asane nipa nyina what I say religion nyina no de nyame ba ko no ne yepese ye kono na bia obi kwan opese ofasuni no obi kwan opese ofasuni it why should that have to be a problem so enye nipa eno Dr. Baumia has shown hwe said the papa yi enye nne no start visiting churches the man started visiting churches long time what I say enu no some of these MPP people now ya na bi mu ho cry some can come your inbox na ya me Kofi you can't change my mind. And me the type of people who are you can influence, especially me who will be a tribalist or yet tribal bigot. I don't like that person. Me person be bam. Lentina me NDC party na me pen. Enya enipa na wo no say me wonamfo bi me NDC but omusuban ne omune yesa no tribalism ne enipa mu nchichemu ene sa ne man tina mempe nti mempe party to say MPP who give way to people everyone the opportunity no aye sa ne man na NDC for ase edu nkatianom omo apart mom di biye ofusu ampofo no sa de no we shouldn't allow it in MPP. What I say general secretary of MPP chairman ene empenifo amo MPP mu make sure say sa ne man aye pay say obi a waye MP pen sa comment na okoka o radio show say na Dr. Baumia no a Muslim di stand ucha sa de na aye pay so wo bibi o MPP mu they should suspend him right away. They shouldn't allow such a thing. Yempesa kasa no MPP mu. Yempe obi amfa bibi man we are we. Say NDC for kasa na omoye no MPP de ensa se so. NDC mu dia they can do it inform. But MPP de yentesa MPP for respected supporters NDC executives no they have no respect because nim some supporters no mind no kita sesafo anti no chim MPP ntisa MPP wo say supporters no were divergent yen MPP so steady leader nya the leader ne beka no ene yagitum say 100% obia no etimi tenase na wa assess ba NDC ntisa nto de tribalism no eno anom de nam but MPP mu sane man de ensase tolerate kra because empire omo gbonyira ne say ye bekoto abaya wie hypocrisy no some supporters no mind no kita sesafo anti no chim MPP ntisa MPP wo say supporters no were divergent yen MPP so steady leader nya the leader ne beka no ene yagitum say 100% obia no etimi tenase na wa assess ba NDC ntisa nto de tribalism no eno anom de nam but MPP mu sane man de ensase tolerate kra because empire gbonyira ne say ye bekoto abaya wie hypocrisy no enti no ma shada sorry tia Dr. Baumia so the same people who dem hwe NDC fo na ya no mu gina ho a NMPP mumpe Northness Assembly. Northness cannot never be a leader of your party. But these same people so no mutewa. And Dr. Baumia is saying a bit to the extent to say an MP me friend Dr. Baumia, NDC MP, so a fake Muslim. Because or Conversity Church, what is religion? Religion, I can what is a independent religion. What is religion? Independent. What I say, if you can't coexist. Na yentimi endo ye ho say because of religion ntimi nko ha how can we survive obi I showed such a leadership we look at what Dr. Baumia is doing such a person what I say and I say you born chidom or you're very innovative you never be brave koso Ghana so you go there say they talk oily as they say many countries are adapting that system because one said the dollar e ko na ba your foreign exchange e ko na ba the dollar no man who to pen affect all the foreign exchange Ghana. Bounty arofo obia obetimi support to the obe support no. Me support to Dr. Baumia and nothing will change it. Tribalistic comment we know. What I say. As I say makwan cause NDC and then they play tribalism especially against Akans.